Of the farmers have different farms from the past. Among them is a pig farm. Farmers can get good profit from pig farming as a pig starts from 6 months of age and gives income to the farmers. This video describes how farmers build pig houses in the hilly villages of Tripura. If you look carefully, you can see what steps are taken in the complete video to create an air-friendly environment for cleaning. Live in environment. The animals live in forests, desert, plains, mountains, and other areas. The reptiles, amphibians, birds, and insects are including the animals. Animals are very important in balancing the environment. They provide stability to different natural processes of ecologic balance of nature and maintain the food chain. Animals provide leather, meat, honey, and people watch to animals for relaxing and interesting there. Animal sounds around us: cows, chickens, pigs, dogs, monkeys, ducks, and turkey, birds, and many other animals. The sounds that make life interesting.